Don't do filming. You're not allowed to get me on
Don't be doing that. It's day one. It's going to be fun. We're not going to get rained on.
Just have a terrible foot to start with. Oh, look at that.
That's a ski fault. That's shitty. Alright, what's my optimal length, guys?
That's a collection.
It's not bad, but it's a bit rough. Bit rough. Maybe this guy. That's a solid stout. Is that high enough? You want to be like right angles. That's low for you. You want to be right angles, ideally. That's the go. The problem is
They're all watching us.
that feels very strong. This is too big. That's strong.
That looks good.
That's right. That's you. Right.
That's the one.
There we go. Thank you.
Choose your weapon.
When we came here before, on day one, this is just fucking full of kangaroos, this big wolf. Lots of kangaroos. Everyone's quite scared of the big ones.
No kangaroos today.
Nope. I'm sure we'll see them though.
No heavy breathing.
Oh, you can see the mountains. Couldn't see past those trees before. Come up to the gate. Everyone, you got to get the gate. And that'll feed through to your phone, will it?
Yeah, but you can do like a full ECG and stuff. This one up there.
Go through the gate, hun.
119.
119.
So it's above normal.
What a no return, Tassie.
You're out.
This is it, buddy. This is a tripod one, dude.
Yeah. You want the tripod something?
Nah. That's where we're going. Do your thing. Is that your thing?
Yeah.
Right.
Lava. Lava. Whoa.
Alright, no need to.
Well, you might have better footage on one than the other, that's what I'm thinking.
Is that taking us by the actual trail?
You're navigating?
It's mapped me. Do you like a wet wipe?
No.
Just had lunch. Ready to go.
I don't need the audio coming through.
Of course we do. How else are you going to remember where you were?
It's in chronological order.
Wait for the old walk behind.
The girlfriend Instagram shot.
But the way I like my footage is straight.
Like not wonky like that?
Yeah, I hate wonky.
You want to do this?
I hate even the light. I'm not using that footage.
For some reason,
You got your hand up.
this is easier for Yabom.
Less pressure on my toes. It is March 4 and actually it's March 5. It is March 5 and it is day 1 of Green Gully track. Last night was night 1. So no walking last night. And today we have 18.5 kilometers. We're about halfway. And it's actually a really nice day today. So enjoying it so far. I've been dreading it because of my foot, but it seems to be holding on, holding up. All right.
Hey, wait. John.
Huh?
John.
I'm walking.
She didn't even get a.
Didn't get a drive-by shot.
She knew.
You knew it was on.
The camera was there.
I heard it. Alright,
So they have done the right way.
7 Ks.
7 kilometers.
Yeah, I get you, man. I got you, fam. Push this through here. You're not going to be able, like it's close, but you're going to be annoyed with it.
Well, at least it's kind of, you know.
Better?
That's fine.
Is that better? Like it's nearer, you can get to it?
Yeah.
Right, well done, Jägerbomb.
Down, 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 down. Nearly there.
See, I mistook the other fence for this fence. I knew there's a fence area and then it's there. It really sucks when you think you're there and then you have another 4 kilometers to go. You're a bit obsessed with me, hun.
I've been for a long time, darling.
How can you monetize them with fingerprints on? Come on.
Ow!
That was a bit silly.
It was just my backpack getting stuck.
Stack it, dump the last bit,
That's a lot easier than last time. Across here.
use the poles there and stack.
Made it!
She's alive. You lied to me.
Bang!
Mousies.
Other than
Right, back in the corner in here.
Woo! Heat. Heat.
It's on and off, it's like a 2-hour operation.
Big blister coming up here.
Yeah, I've got blisters.
I feel like my heel on this side is bad. I'm waiting to see what it looks like.
Do that.
And maybe my toe.
Oh yeah.
I think that's my only damage is here. Like I've got like a little thing at the bottom on this side. You got a big one, too?
Oh, right. Yeah.
Did you have tape in part of that or no tape?
No, no tape. So, I've never got a blister there. Full shade over this side, Gang of thieves.
Oh hey.
That's perfect exit.
Okay. I'm not mad.
You mad, bro?
Okay.
You're not gonna die.
I'm a little bit mad about the wasp nest.
On the door?
Yeah. Not really about that, hey.
Is there wasps in there?
Yeah.
It looks new, right?
Looks pretty new. Yeah.
It's gonna get worse tomorrow, buddy. Yep. I'm down here.
That's 5:20, 5:30.
So,
whatever we want to call it.
we'll probably, this out. Yeah,
A little. Alright, you ready, Dean? You have to catch the first one. There was like.
Ooh.
You drunk it? Is it good? Have you died yet?
Waiting for the hydrolyte to dissolve.
Alright, that's fine. I'm going to put this in here. It was too much. You need to make sure water thing. I carried it in my 19 kilos.
How many kilos was it? How many grams was it?
Really wet. There's some things that don't need to be weighted. They're like deemed essential. You know? It was like the bug spray that Mom wouldn't let me have.
But it made its way.
Oh, just holding that.
holding the Kero.
You are a very brave man.
You can't be scared of the fire, Dean.
I'm scared of the fire, but you're holding a fucking kerosene.
Kerosene block.
Oh no, I've got bug in my wine.
Get it out.
Get a lid. They burn for like 15 minutes. Reject this stick. I'm going to get me a better one.
You're going to reject my stick?
And it'll just crisp up the outside. No, this side. You're here. Go here. Yeah. You don't have to get right in there. You don't have to touch anything. It's just going to crisp up that outside, and it's just going to be a hot, gooey mess. That's it. Pick it out. It's going to be molten sugar. Eat it.
Is that it?
Blow it, and chuck it in your mouth. It's going to be molten sugar.
But the side's not.
I know, but you can do more. But it's going to be molten sugar. It's going to be hot. It's going to melt your mouth. It's crisp out the sugar.
It's hot.
Yeah. That's what I mean. You don't want to do too long.
Look at those big teeth.
Oh, it's strawberry.
Go the white one.
It's got a point, doesn't it?
I lost it.
Yeah,
I lost it.
That's the problem. If you go too hard,
I
too long,
know.
it's game over.
You fucked up.
So you don't like the pink ones?
That's ready, yeah, Bon.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's going to be so good.
Okay.
Blow on it and get it in you.
Whoa.
Those big chompers going to work.
Just inhale it. It's just pure sugar.
Chuck it in. Chuck it in.
Snorling.
Good.
Should you have brought the whole whiskey?
Yes.
Anyone got a 3, 3, 3, 3, 3? Me. I've got it. First,
Hey, I was.
first in, best dressed,
You
baby.
didn't even hold a thing. You went straight with 9s.
Sorry.
That's why I don't remember to pick up last time because.
All right. Let me burn these 8s. Ochos.
Look at that. I don't know how we do this. Was it here?
Oh. Done. She's out.
She's out.
King.
We
Yeah.
go here,
All right.
Acington.
and we go here.
And he's out. Oh!
Yes!
No, he's already out. He's already out.
Out first, Bob.